is only the carrying prohibition for outside Eretz Israel.
About what? I didn't get. About Eretz Israel what?
Carrying is only in diaspora.
Carrying? No, it's everywhere. Why you say no? It's everywhere.
Because they make Eruv, and I understood it's like making private the area.
Yeah, but private domain. No. You can do private domain. You can do Eruv almost anywhere if it's according to some halakhic, the special halakhic definitions. So it must be like not too many people go through that area. Like in capital cities or big countries, it's not going to work. So what? So I mean, if it's on the main street or next to main street, it's not going to work. Like even where I live, so Moshe Feinstein, that Sal was against it. So he against it. So and since then the population increased. So me personally, I don't care. Never.
Because I understand or I conceive Eretz Israel as being between an Eruv, but
no, it's not true. They in every city they have to build their own Eruv, or in every location neighborhood they can build their own Eruv, but it's not by default it's all covered. It's not true.